wanted to share some clean and simple projects with you. And believe me when I say clean and simple does not mean simple. I always struggle with this style. So anyway, let me start off with the card that I made. I used this die that I got from my sweet friend Shonda, who is Slim Cards on YouTube and Instagram. And I layered it up a few times to give it a little dimension. And I also used some Cottage Cuts dies for some of the embellishing here and also for the flowers. And then I used an Anna Griffin embossing folder. And these are actually cut from my Cricut. I actually dusted it off and cut these from that because I didn't have any dies that worked well with this die cut. And then on the inside I have it blank. So that's the card, and I just added a little pearl piece there. Okay, and then I also made some super cute 3x3s. And I used some die cuts that I got from Terry E01 that I won from one of her collabs. Isn't that cute? So there's this one and this one here. And this little piece was also from leftover from the card from Cottage Cuts. And here's another dress here. And this little bow piece is from Handmade by Deanna Marie. Thank you, Deanna. And so those are my 3x3s. And it's going to go into this topper here. So I'll set that aside. And then I made a little box here, and this is a My Creative Time bow, and this embossing folder is a Crafter's Companion. And the bling piece and bow are just glued with a glue dot here so she can repurpose it or regift it if she wants. So I have that there. And then I also have a lipstick case. I did not make the lipstick case, but I did add the bow from My Creative Time. And sorry for the noise. And also another bling heart. And by the way, these hearts are from Angel Dream Crafts Kim on Etsy. And so it snaps open. Then I have a Matchbox that I created. And I used that same embossing folder and a My Creative Time bow with that same heart bling piece. And I have a little charm here that I made. And then lastly, I have this purse, and I followed a tutorial from Sam Alcott UK MixedupCraft. I think so. Anyway, I followed her tutorial, not completely though. I also followed, or was also inspired by the Posh Paper Lady, and let me explain it a little bit more. So here's a handle with some chains that I probably got from Michael's or Joann's. And then I add a little charm here that I got from probably from Michael's. And here's another My Creative Time bow. And this heart bling piece is from Mimi, who is Mimi Johnson Designs. Hey girl. So that's the front, and it does open. And because the paper is so thick, and I used My Creative Time, My Favorite Things 100-pound cardstock, it's pretty thick, so I used double magnets, 2 magnets on this side and this side, so it snaps pretty good. And then I have a little red heart on the inside. And on the bottom I have some feet. And this is, I was totally inspired by the Posh Paper Lady. She always uses feet on hers. And these feet I got from Joann's, I believe. And this is the back. And the only thing about this is you can't really fit much in here. Like I wanted to fit this box, and it's only like 3/4 of an inch, but it just does not fit. But I can fit that, and oh, I think I have something else. And I do also have a gift card holder that I created using the same tutorial. And I use the same embossing folder and a My Creative Time bow with a heart pearl center. And I have an eyelet with some gold chain. And originally I was going to hook this onto the purse, but I just thought it was like fighting with the other keychain. So that's it. And I have magnets on the inside, and here's the back. So those are my projects. So if you guys have any other questions on products that I've used, just let me know, and I thank y'all for watching. Bye for now.